Acrylic bending machine operating instructions. Select the heating surface according to the requirements. Turn on the heating tube for preheating before use about 10 minutes. Put the materials in after the temperature rises. Click plate down to press the plate down onto the acrylic. Then click heating tube rise to raise the heating tube and start heating the acrylic. Now it is single-sided heating. Double-sided heating. Click the button here. Test the softening time of the sheet material. The screen displays the heating time. Check the heating time after the sheet material has softened. Click heating tube down, which will lower the heating tube away from the acrylic. After that, click bending. Once cooling is complete, the acrylic will be shaped. Finally, click Return and Platen Rise to complete the process. Automatic operation. Select parameter setting on the touch screen. Enter the material heating time in the parameter settings. The cooling time, the time required for shaping acrylic. And then click Automatic Operation to enter the automatic operation interface. Click on the Reset option. Place the board, then step on the pedal. The machine will automatically perform the bending process according to the set parameters. Bending angle setting. The material has been processed.